Hello, I'm Crafter Wong. We're on an episode of Crafter Wong with Crafter Wong. In this episode, I'm making Litten. I don't know why, but this Pokemon reminds me of the Black Cat from the Matrix. Maybe because I just watched that movie really recently, but yeah, I just thought I'd bring that up. More specifically about Litten, this model took me about an hour and a half to build. The general instructions for making this model is to build the head, attach the whiskers to the head, build the body, glue them together, and then attach the tail. So a few extra specific notes that I want to include. I personally did not include a weight in the body, but if you notice that the body starts to tip over or the body can't stand by itself, you might want to put some weight in the body. Also for the tail, I didn't actually attach the top piece. I'll put it on screen right now so you don't know. Instead, I just, you took a pen and colored the inside of the tail because I'm lazy and I didn't want to build it. So yeah. But if you want to make this model with me, you can download the templates in the first link in the description. Since you're there, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite starter Pokemon. Besides that, let's begin building. Yo, but if you could have seen the face of like all of us when you were playing, it was like, man, oh, you're beautiful. I'm so glad you got that tape. That was fire. Again, if you stuck around to the end, I thank you for your time. This model took me about an hour and a half to build, and took me one try. It didn't take that long. This was a pretty easy model to make. If you want to build this model with me, you can download templates in the link in the description. Since you're there, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite starter Pokemon. Until next time, bye-bye!